Good morning, friends, and welcome back to the homestead. So we are definitely in this Arctic front that we have going on right now. It is cold out here. Hubby and I went out really early this morning as soon as we woke up, and we went and got the barn all situated. I didn't film that because it was really cold. Right now it's currently -4 with a wind chill of -25. So it is really, really cold. We went ahead and got the barn all situated with the wood stove, and we got the fire going. We kept everything closed up because I just didn't want this wind going in and affecting the animals. So I wanted the heat to stay inside. So let's go inside, check on the animals real quick and see how they're doing, and I can show you what exactly we did. All right, so we are inside the barn right now. I've got this going nice and hot for all the chickens, and they are all still up in bed enjoying this heat. We'll be coming in throughout the day and refilling that to make sure it stays warm because it is supposed to be very cold all day long. I kept all the barn doors closed. That way it will minimize how much wind comes through here, but it's still pretty cold. The babies, they are doing good. They've got their fresh hay and a heat lamp to keep them warm. And then over here I've got my two big girls, and they are cuddled up together. We also put a heat lamp for them just in case, but they are staying nice and warm with their fresh hay and a heat lamp as well. I went ahead and gave everybody fresh food and water, and I'm just gonna let them stay like this all day long. I'll come back in later on, give them some more feed, check on their water, make sure it's not frozen, refill it if I need to, and then get back inside because it is cold. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and check the car and see exactly how cold it is because I'm just getting that temperature reading off my phone, and that's for my whole area, so it's not necessarily where I am. So I'm gonna go ahead and check the truck and see if it tells me exactly how cold it is where we're at. All right, so the car does show that it is -2 degrees over here, so it is cold. And we do have a little bit of snow falling with some wind, but it is definitely beautiful over here. All right, friends, it has been a few hours since I was last outside, and I'm gonna head back down to the barn and just check on the animals and change their waters because I am pretty sure they are frozen and they're gonna need some fresh, good water to drink and not ice. So let's head down to the barn and see how everybody's doing. It is still about 1 degree, so it's still very cold, and we are still getting snow here and there with a lot of wind. So it's definitely very chilly out here. And close it behind us. All right, so we're inside the chicken coop, and they are frozen. Their waters are completely frozen. So I'm gonna have to defrost these and refill them with some good water. Huh? No hose, just turn it on. This is a frost preventive hose, so it does not freeze on you. As long as you make sure you take off all the hoses, this will not freeze on you and you'll always be able to get water out of it. So this is where we're gonna be drawing our water from to be giving to all the animals. All right, friends, so every couple of hours, this is what we're doing. Heading out to the barn and re-watering all the animals because their waters are freezing within a matter of 2 hours. So, until we go back out again. All right, friends, so it's about 5:30 at night. It's gonna start getting dark, so we're gonna go ahead and head inside and lock up the barn for the night, feed the animals one last time, and empty all of the chicken waters. That way they don't freeze overnight. They're not going to be drinking water during the night. So we're going to go ahead and remove all the waters that the chickens have and make sure the pigs are fed and happy and everybody is tucked in for the night. Because of the freezing temperatures, I have been putting the food here in the garage because it's much warmer in here and our feed does not freeze because we always soak our feed. It does not freeze here inside the garage. So let me grab the feed so we can take it to the barn. Ooh, it's still cold. So much ice is on the ground. It rained yesterday before it dropped. The weather was like crazy weird last night. It was high 40s and even into the low 50s all day yesterday until about 7 or 8 o'clock, and then it dropped drastically. We had rain, and so all the rain turned into ice. All of the streets over here are completely iced. They are not snow, it's all ice. So it's dangerous, very, very dangerous. Hey girls, you guys already in bed? The girls have already put themselves to bed. Whew, it's really cold. Alright friends, so everybody is locked up and ready for bed, and I'm going to get inside because I am freezing. My nose is about to fall off. So I'm going to head inside and warm up and have dinner myself. Hope you all have a great day. I hope if you were also caught in this cold storm that you are all well. And I will be seeing you guys on the next video. Hope all is well and have a blessed day.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive, and the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you